Discover a breathtaking countryside retreat in Minnesota, where Mediterranean-inspired architecture meets rolling farmland, mature woods, and timeless country living. Hidden along a winding private drive, this extraordinary estate unfolds through open meadows, towering historic oak trees, and peaceful natural scenery. creating a property that feels more like a private resort than a traditional farm. Located in Minnesota, this remarkable property delivers a rare blend of architectural elegance, usable land, and lifestyle flexibility. From the moment you approach the residence, the influence of Mediterranean and Spanish design immediately stands out, while still preserving the warmth and authenticity of classic Minnesota farmhouse character. Inside, the home showcases incredible craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout. Expansive Marvin windows, many with beautiful arched detailing, flood the interiors with natural light, while perfectly framing views of rolling hills, meadows, and woods outside. Long sightlines and thoughtfully designed spaces create an effortless flow between rooms, making the home equally suited for everyday comfort and entertaining. A stunning gallery hallway opens through French doors leading to a slate patio positioned perfectly for unforgettable sunset views. Repeating architectural arches and exposed ceiling beams create warmth and character throughout the residence, while a custom arched wrought iron front door introduces handcrafted details that continue through lighting fixtures, railings, and decorative elements across the home. The land itself is equally impressive and highly usable. Much of the property has remained chemical-free since 1986, creating a beautiful natural environment that includes rolling hills, walking trails, a winding creek, mature woods, and open meadows. A peaceful serviceberry orchard and large fire pit gathering space further enhance the outdoor experience. Approximately 20 acres of tillable ground, 50 acres of pasture, and 21 acres of wooded land provide flexibility for agriculture, horses, recreation, or future possibilities. Additional structures bring even more versatility to the estate, including a charming guest house with its own kitchen, bath, and sleeping loft. A historic barn with hand-hewn construction adds incredible character and has even served as a wedding venue in the past. An insulated and heated lean-to building offers additional space for events, equipment, or gatherings. With solar panels adding modern efficiency, this Minnesota estate creates an extraordinary opportunity for multi-generational living, hobby farming, wellness retreats, private events, or simply enjoying a one-of-a-kind lifestyle surrounded by nature.